am Dr. G.S. Patra speaking from Ranchi, Jharkhand, India. Most of the time patients come to me and ask me what is the healthy hearts, what is the heart attack and why it comes to the patients, and what is the nature of the heart attack and how to differentiate it from heart attack to other chest pain. So I am giving small talks about this once. Why we call it a healthy heart? Because the physiologically active heart which deserves or which fulfills the normal physiological activity of the human being, if there is no other abnormality of the hearts like congenital heart disease, hypertension and other diseases like thyroid problems, metabolic syndromes, if these are not present and heart is working in a proper way, then we call it as healthy hearts. And suppose there is a disease process, then healthy hearts may affect and it will not be called, in my opinion, as a healthy hearts. So just to know this that the heart should be work in a proper way and it fulfill the all physiological activities of the human being. Now most of the time the patients ask me about the what is heart attack. So if we will understand that the heart is also supplied and it will get nutrition from the arteries. These arteries are known as coronary arteries. The coronary arteries, if there is a blockage like a plaque depositions in the coronary arteries, that will disrupt and it will go to the distant area with the smaller parts and it will hamper the circulations of the heart in some part of the heart. Then this will give a attack and this attack is called the heart attack. This pain, patients at that time, patients feel pain but it will be severe and it will be like anginal pain, but it will be severe and durations of the pain will be more than 20 minutes to an hour also. So if a patient will feel chest pain and it will persist for more than 20 minutes and also an hour also, then you must think about the heart attack. And this heart attack pain will be severe in nature and the quality of the pain will be crushing and it will be sometimes it will be pressing, constricting like a pain. At the same time the patients will feel perspiration, that is excessive sweating also, and there will be locations of the pain also, that is it generally produces substernal pain but sometimes it also produces just anterior part of the chest and on the left side of the chest also, but sometimes it also radiates to the jaw, left of the arm or sometimes in the both. But the pain, nature of the pain will not be in a burning type but and also not like a stabbing type of the pain. So if this type of the pain will present and locations of the presence, then you should think about the heart attack. Generally heart attack and anginal pain, it will mimics, but differentiation is that it will not be, anginal pain will not be more than 20 minutes, it will be less than 20 minutes, and suppose a patient will take the nitrates, then it will be rest. Other thing that it will also relieve, anginal pain will relieve also by the rest also, but in case of heart attack it will not relieve by the nitrates and rest all. So in such cases you think about this once. And other thing that the site of the pain, that is pericardial pain and nature of the pain. In case of heart attack, the nature of the pain will be severe in time and patients will not feel any relief of the pain after he rest, and he will travel to take the rest, but he will not relieve of the pains. So this is the type of the then the sometimes what happen, the pain, heart attack pain will be painless in older age group and mainly in women also, but in diabetic patient also the pain will be painless. In such cases it will be differentiated from this, that the patient will be respiratory rate will be increased, and that is the dyspnea, and there will be sudden fall of the blood pressure. There will be sweating, profuse sweating, but pain will not be there. But in such cases, the older patient should, if this will occur in older patients, mainly in women, in diabetic patients, you also think about the heart attack also. Now, the why, sometimes also patients ask me about why there will be heart attack, or if there is a problem of the heart attack in heart itself or not. In most of the cases, it is generally seen that the patients are obese, who are other diseases like hypertension not treated properly, and diabetic also. These are the most common patients who are going to be heart attack. The remedies are generally, if patients will severe pain, you must immediately inform to the hospitals for the ambulance. Shifting to the patients immediately will save his life also. So you, whenever you think, you must immediately rush, or there will be no availability of ambulance, you must rush to the hospital, so that early examination, early treatment will save the life of the patients. So this is my speech, and that is the end of this one. Okay, thanks.